everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you found me. Now, while I often dive into the uplifting world of Christian music, today I'm branching out to explore something fresh and exciting. Join me as I take on this new hobby and learn a new skill that is I'll get to that. You'll see what I mean when I get into that process. But whether you're here for inspiration, motivation, or just to have a little relaxation, I can't wait to share this journey with you. So let's jump right into it. First things first, 2 words for you: cleanse and moisturize. These 2 steps are crucial for removing product buildup to ensure your hair is moisturized. Now, I've already gone ahead and done this part, so right now I'm just combing it out after blow drying it. I did apply a good leave-in conditioner, as I always do. This will keep your hair hydrated and help prevent breakage while it's in the crochet style. Again, make sure you apply a good leave-in conditioner. I typically use conditioners free of chemicals and sulfates that are bad for your hair. But I will leave a link in the description box below for a few brand choices that I often use. Now it's time to protective style and secure that base, honey. Braiding your natural hair to the scalp will give your crochet hairstyle a solid foundation. Please overlook the braid pattern that you see in this clip because, honey, let me tell you, when I was trying to speed this along, I just wanted to hit it and quit it, right? So it does not matter how slayed you lay this or how neat you want this to be, it doesn't matter. Now let's move on to the fun part, installing the crochet hair. This is where you pick your desired style, middle part, side part, girl, even no part will do. Whatever floats your boat. Just follow your usual crochet technique. Now, just in case you're wondering, it wasn't difficult to split this hair. In fact, this was the easiest hair I've ever had to work with, which definitely made this process smoother. It doesn't frizz, it doesn't tangle, because actually it's already split for you, depending on how you use it. I used 1 in the beginning to save hair, but then I moved up to 2 to save time, you feel me? And there you have it, a beautiful crochet hairstyle that starts with a protective style. Your natural hair is safe and you look fabulous. And the best part is, you won't even feel it. This hair is so light. There's no weight to it at all. So this is where I leave you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment and let me know what you think. If you're gonna try this, or if you even just like the hairstyle on me. Doesn't really matter. I just would love to hear from you.